bopped up the fire, evolve, whacking these fastball sliders and all the...
Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to a snippet, behind the scenes, bedroom busters and bites, extra, whatever you want to call it. This is just a little simple recipe that I wanted to share with you all. Today's menu, beef bacon BLT. We're going to need beef bacon, tomatoes, salt and pepper, shredded lettuce, mayonnaise, and bread. Doesn't that bacon look beautiful? I love beef bacon. It's just so lean, thick, and tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, so I have my flat, hot surface here. I prefer using a griddle if you guys haven't noticed, but you can always use a skillet, and some people even bake their bacon. So right now I'm just placing my bacon on top of my griddle, and it's set at 350 degrees. That's the highest I go. So I'm placing it on here, and I'm going to allow for the bacon to brown on both sides. Okay, as you can see, the bacon has cooked down quite a bit. Right now, I'm just spreading it apart just to make sure that it's cooked on each side. I like my bacon well done. Not too done, but just enough as to where you still have the juices. It should be a nice golden brown on each side. See that? That's exactly what it should look like. And if you like, you can always turn it up a bit, the temperature. I have it set at 350. That's the highest I go, as I mentioned earlier. Some people like it crispier, but like I said, I like it just like this. There we go. Just making sure it cooks. So while the bacon was cooking, I went ahead and started slicing my tomatoes. This is a nice firm tomato. Just cut it across so that I can get that nice little circular shape right there. It's a little firm, so I'm glad about that. I don't like the flimsy tomatoes. The lettuce was already shredded, so it saved me the trouble of having to slice lettuce, a head of lettuce. So yeah, the lettuce is sliced, the tomatoes are sliced, and this is what we have here. Okay, as you can see, I did toast 2 pieces of bread, and I added a little bit of mayo on each slice. Preferably, I don't do mayo on sandwiches at all, but for the BLT, it does require mayo. Some people use butter, which is good too, but today I decided to use a little bit of mayo. And I love the beef bacon because it's just always so firm and just nice. It's not all floppy and flimsy. So when you got the bacon, the beef bacon, you're gonna get a nice, chunky, hearty sandwich. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And then you got your tomatoes, your lettuce, your bread, your mayo. So we good to go. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. A little pinch of salt and pepper. As you can see, I mixed it all in this little cup. So yeah, just sprinkle a little bit on there. Not too much because the bacon is already salty. Okay, place that on top. Mash it down. Look. Okay, my hands are clean.
Bopped up the fire, evolve, whacking these fastball sliders and all the Andrew McCutcheon of music. I ball translucent, but you think that you seem dissolved. Got more things I'm backing and getting it off. Got them all twitching and itching. Who girl is watching? I give her a fixing. Foreigns and all looking just like a stitching. But that ain't your broad, and I'm all handcuffing you. Ain't Paul Blart, trying to be dope as me, man. You missed the mark. I'm at kick shopping, putting piff in carts. Full of confidence, it's clear you acknowledge it. Flash the watch bezel, check your eye tolerance. Just a few of my accomplishments. Oh, you mad? I make you madder. Great more jealous with the paint splatter. Dabbing, doing the dab while I'm dapper. Laughter's what I induce from you actors. Should go copy a fit from Mad Hatter. But that's a whole nother chapter. That's a whole nother chapter. That's a whole nother rapper. I'm back to living life now and hereafter. Sure won't be the last time. Sure won't be the first.